Hello, this is Zach from Thunderbolt Locks. Today we're going to be going over our standard M1 Plus lock. On our standard M1 Plus, we have the green and the blue, which are our lock wires that go directly into the factory locks. On the front door, we use the M1s because we need to have an ignition controlled relay that prevents the locks from locking when the ignition is on. How you activate the relay is with black going to a ground source and white going to an ignition source. So that an ignition source is when the key is in the on position, you have power. So most of the time you'll be able to find these inside the factory power window switch wiring. So on the Ford Transit, it is a gray blue. Right now the ignition is on, we have power. When the ignition is off, we have ground. Then what you'll do is, again, we'll take our black and our white. We'll have our white go to the positive ignition trigger and the black go to any body ground.